So right now I'm inside of Visual Studio Code and I'm about to do some labeling with Prodigy. In particular, I have some examples in this examples.jsonl file that I would like to label. It contains some customer service requests, and I want to label whether or not they are part of a query about a delivery. So let's run this. And now that that's running, I can see an example, and I can label this. This seems to be about a delivery that never arrived, so that's good. So I'll hit accept. But now, in the next example, something interesting is happening. Because here, it seems to be about delivery, but something fishy is happening because there seems to be a template that didn't get filled in, which might indicate bot behavior. Now what I could do is I could hit this green accept button, because again, technically it is about delivery, but it would be a shame if this one example didn't get a follow-up, because something fishy might be happening. So in this case, I would like to flag this example, and that's something that you can totally do with Prodigy, but you will need to add an extra setting. So I am back in Visual Studio Code. I'm going to open up the prodigy.json file, which can contain all sorts of settings. And I'm going to change it such that the show flag key is set to true. Now, if I were to rerun this, then you'll notice that I have the same interface as before, with the addition of this little flag over here. Again, this first example doesn't need to get flagged, but the second example does. So in this case, what I will do is I will hit the flag over here, and I will hit accept. What I can do now is I can save this data, and this flag will now also be saved inside of my Prodigy database. Now note that I was saving my data in a dataset called flag demo, and I can call Prodigy now with the database out command, and I can tell it to give me the flag demo dataset. And one thing that we can see is that the flagged property is set to true for this second example over here. And if I wanted to, I could also set the flagged only setting from the command line over here, and this will only return me examples that were flagged. So there you have it. This is a very convenient setting that allows you to just flag some extra examples if they deserve an extra look.